Hey, what's up, guys? So my friend gave me this lock he found at work. There's no key. It's an American lock, Series 3600. Never, uh, I'd never seen this lock before. Or I've never picked it, rather. Um, it's a little beat up. Um, I was at his house, so I didn't have my picks with me, but I had one of these H&H pocket pick sets on me. One of those little fold-out jobs. They come with pretty. They're actually, I mean, they're not great quality, but in an emergency, they get the job done. So, assuming like most American locks, there's security pins. Um, I didn't have top of the keyway wrench with me, so I put in the bottom, and I started picking it while we were watching the hockey game. And I was just kind of feeling around for serrations or security pins, and it opened just like this. So sure don't feel like there are any security pins in this. Um, I don't even know if you can get this thing actually. Oh, yep, there's a screw in there. All right, so let's see what's in this guy. What I think I want to do with this lock is I think I want to try to make a key for it. I'll get a blank key, and I'm going to do it by hand with some hand files or maybe a Dremel. Um, and Then I might make a challenge lock out of it. Maybe I'll make some. This is gonna. There we go. Whoops, we'll get that out of there. So I think I'm going to make a challenge lock out of this. I'm going to make some custom security pins, and which way do my keys go? And then maybe I'll send it out to one of you guys, and I'll let you pick it. All right, so it's a 5 pin. I thought there was only 4 in there. So these are the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And let's see what's in the Bible. Come on. Oops. There's one. Oh, where did that go? Piece of something flew out there. It looks like it might be a master weave for that. That might have been a master key for this. Uh-huh. There's 3. And there's 5. So, as you can see, except for that little master wafer in there, these are all just standard pins. I think I'm going to... It can be keyed for 6 pins, so I think I might make some custom pins and make a key for this, and then I'll send it out to one of you guys as a challenge lock. Maybe I'll do a whole series of videos. I'll do one video of me making the key, another one showing how to do the pins. And then we'll get this out to you. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like. And as always, don't pick locks that don't belong to you. Don't pick locks that are in use. Keep it legal. Don't ruin it for the rest of us. Alright? See you on the next one.